So this is going to be a very short video, but I've come to the plot and found these beautiful red jewels. So I think we might do a strawberry tasting, considering this is the first time we've got strawberries from the plot. First strawberries on the year, yay! You a bit hot? It's okay, we're going to eat some strawberries. John doesn't like being on camera, so I thought I'd make him do the work today. So, you're going to pick it. What one are you going for? The big one? Hang on.
Is that actually?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
We could do another day.
Nope. The birds will get it. We've got to get it. There's another one around the corner as well, but I think that's the better one because I can get a bite out of that as well. And they're not quite right. So don't ruin it.
Yep.
Take that. You know what you're doing. We want strawberry picking.
Oh.
First strawberry of the year. Don't see it all. They're good.
Yeah.
Okay. Yummy times. I'm quite excited about this. Was it honestly good?
It's really sugary and yeah.
Oh my god. It reminds me of like my nan strawberries from when I was a kid.
All good?
Really good. Yay.